Welcome back to Joe Duffy MINI. My name is Ben, and today I'm bringing you this level 1 exclusive SE Mini Cooper Electric. So we have the slide spoke alloys on the side here. This is a full white car with black mirror caps. And see the exclusive trim around the front here. And popping over to the rear, I just want to show you the boot size and the new customizable tail lights. They have 3 presets inside the car. And then popping open the boot here, as we can see, plenty of space back here, and we have the seats down just to show you that there is quite a lot of loading space. Over here we have a bit of extra storage down here, and we have the Get You Home foam along with the towing eye. Just a little look in the interior here. We have these brand new nightshade blue vegan leather seats, and in and around the cabin we have full PET recycled bottle knit all over here, committing to many sustainable goals. And these seats are also vegan leather. Feels like leather, looks like leather, but no animals were harmed in the making. Over here we have a full setup here. This is our drive mode selector, down for drive, up for reverse, and then we have the power mode, which will switch on our car. And then we also have the experience modes. Now what this will do, this will change how our driving is affected. So from vivid down, it is all just cosmetic, and then from green, core and go-kart, I think we can guess what each of them do. So core is like our comfort mode, green is max range and keeping the battery in check, and then sport mode is go-kart, just to have a little fun in the car. This will tighten up our steering and our throttle response, and it goes back to the classic mini dash here. Over in front of us here we have the heads-up display. I think that picked up on camera. This will show us our speed and our road speed, and we also have a speed limit sign warning, and we have active lane assist on this car as well. Over here we have our multifunction steering wheel. Over this side is media, so we can talk to Siri, hang up and pick up phone calls, our shortcuts, our music and volume controls here. And then over on this side is our speed limiter and cruise control, and peeking out behind it is our auto lights and our auto light. Down here is our wireless charging pad. We can pop our phone here and it will charge, and we also have 2 USB-C ports right back here, and we have some extra storage in here just down here. This car is a level 1 mini electric, but it still comes optioned with the heated seats and heated steering wheel, and we can change that with 3 presets either side. In the infotainment system we have Apple CarPlay and now Android Auto, which the previous generation did not have. And then we have our own mini maps all around here, showing us our high power charge points and all the charging locations we would ever need, and also our service locations. So if you have any questions or queries about this vehicle, or perhaps you'd like to take it for a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact us over at Joe Duffy MINI at bpowell@joeduffymini.ie. that's BPOWELL@joeduffy.ie, or by phone on 01 864 7777. Thank you.